Jules. So we have learned about the what is Jules and how is the workflow. So now we will try to practical exam. We will see the practical example of the Jules Google working. So just go to the website jules.google, and we will see that this type of user interface. So we just go to the try Jules. I'm clicking on here, and now they just telling me to connect to the GitHub. So I'm connecting to my GitHub repository. So just authorizing. Just is the so this is the process. We need to some install and authorize. We can give the access all repository or only selected repository. So this is the my public repository. So we have no issue. We can install and authorize. Now just 2FA है. Actually we can say two-factor authentication. So just login successfully, and we have authenticated to the GitHub. Now here we can see our complete repository. We just try to learn how is the Google's they working. So we have I have lots of repo. So we just work with some my repository. We can work with chapter 2. Yeah. So I'm telling about this repo. So this is a public repo. You can also go to visit. You can visit that. So in this repo, this is the Magento chatbot. This is, we have created a plugin for the Magento. It's a free and open source. So in this plugin, we are using the in backend API as a we have create the in admin configuration. There we can put the any LLM model, chat GPT or Olama. So basically, you need to keep your endpoint of your LLM model, and you can use this plugin. It's completely free. So basically, currently in my local, so I have used the LLM model. I think I can recall. So Llama 3 byte. Yeah, 3 billion token. I think I used in my local machine with Olama. So using this, I have created a uh, multiple LLM model with a different task. So basically, we coming on the current topic, Jules. So in this, I will give the some command like here. What is not in the my repo? So is in repo we have implemented lots of things. So basically, yeah, I have also implemented authenticated things, but I have not implemented order shipment things. Okay, if someone using our chatbot, if someone wants to give the shipment things, shipment status, yeah, order status things, so what they do, what LLM model, yeah, what GPT respond on that things. So just I am telling, yeah, I want to implement order status, order and shipment status using chatbot. In this repo, order status, order status things is implemented, but shipment status is not implemented. Now is okay. Please create a plans to mm, implement this feature. So just I'm getting a small things as but I want to implement shipment status things. So just enter. If anything error in my current repo, they also trying to check, okay, this is error is coming, error or coming bugs fixing. It all things is the report me. These things I found that these things in your code base. So if this actually this is the plugin, so I have doubt this can't be run is in his level. So but we will see what happen. So what we'll do, it is the modify the query handler .php include the shipment status logic. This is the good. So what is the a new query type for shipment status? Create a new method fetch shipment similar to the fetch order status. Okay, good. That will be retrieve and return shipment information. For now, this method can return a mock data, update the handle query method to call a fetch shipment status when the query type is shipment status. Ensure that shipment status query also require the user to be logged in. Yeah, correct. Now use chatbot server.py handle the shipment status queries. Now order status can add test for the shipment status. Yeah, see, approve plan. I have approved now. This is auto approved after 1 minute, I think. Now plan approved and working on it. Okay, if they add the things in my code repo, then we can again pull the things in our my code base, and we can execute and see the things. So this looks good. And also if you need to give any feedback to the GitHub, sorry Jules, so we have some things we can give. This is the showing the changes what they making changes. So this is our previous code. There we have implemented the order status. Now they implemented shipment status also. See, also here they added some good things. Yeah, good order, depend on order ID, but maybe some mistake we can using order ID get the shipment. Okay, no issue. Fetch shipment status. Yeah, so I can check the code in deep in after later, but here is the what they're doing and what they in this Python server. Okay, yeah, basically they we can now publish branch. So this changes I can see in our GitHub repo. So if you want to see my GitHub, I think this one. Okay. So this is shipment status feature. This is creating a new branch. You can see there is a shipment branch, and we have see 1 second ago they compare and pull request. They create a PR. We can see the PR here also. So see this, and after then we can pull in our local code base, and we can see. So I'm too like these things. Actually this help too much, but first we need to check the completely this what this make changes. If anything need to things make to change, we can again talk to Jules. This is the wrong, can you guide these things also? Yeah, can you add these things also? Yeah, like if you according to your need. So yeah, this is awesome. You can also most important things, you no need to depend on these Jules. You need to learn, you need to use as a tools. This is the more important things. You need to read one by one things, one by one, one line by line the code, and then you need to understand what happening in the code. Okay, So basically this is too good and to help to the others also. They can want to learn using these tools. Oh, also this is the free task day limit of 60. You can work daily actually using Jules. Daily something 1 or 2 hours you can spend on the your current project using this, and you can create any open source project, or you can create any your own things what you want to create using this. So this is good. And if you in college, if you want the also have some experience, so it's a help and help uh, all of mean no depend on you are in college or you are in the lots of experience. This is the tools, and this is the help to the all members who can enjoy it using this. So thank you so much.